We haven't had a frost yet, and I'm still picking tomatoes. Let's see if I can get that one before, without it dropping. Anything that is starting to turn and has no bug bites on it are going in my pocket. I'll give it another couple of days, and then I'm going to come out and pick all the big green tomatoes. I have been slowly gleaning tomatoes, anything that had any kind of blush on it, and putting it in this box. As you can see, some of these need to go in the freezer, but let me show you what I've gotten just from my garden. I put this potato bag over them to keep them in the dark. They like to ripen in a small, dark place. That's a file box, and that's another box, and there's a shallower box underneath. So I'm going to say I got close to half a bushel, and I've been cutting the tops off them and then gently putting them in the freezer so that they freeze like that and will be easier to peel. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, I'll take everything I can. And Howie checked my watermelons. They're a little bit bigger, but they're still hanging on to their vines, which means they're not ready to be harvested yet. Mwah! Take care. God bless. Glean everything you can, right?